Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rochelle, also known as Chelly. I make videos related to work from home and what it's like to be a work from home mom. So, if you like those videos, please hit like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy watching! Hi Chelly viewers! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Simply Chelly Vlogs. Another day, another vlog of a simple work from home mom. Okay, so guys, it's been a while since we last talked about Cyberbacker. Actually, I'm wearing their old shirt. Yan. So, guys, a lot has changed here at Cyberbacker. And kung hindi ka pa subscribe sa aking YouTube channel and you want to get updates about Cyberbacker or interested ka to join Cyberbacker, please do not forget to hit like, share, and of course, subscribe. Okay? So guys, regarding dun sa last let's just recap dun sa last vlog ko about Cyberbacker. We have already changed the logo, the branding. Basically, Cyberbacker has a new face already, okay? And aside from that, like I mentioned earlier on, na a lot has changed when it comes to the processes of the hiring processes. A lot has changed already. And I'm sure matutuwa kayo guys kasi hindi na kayo mahirapan mag-apply. Okay? Bakit ko nasabi yon guys? Kasi Cyberbacker has already removed CBPA. Ayon. So, doon talaga bumabagsak karamihan ng mga Cyberbackers or ng mga candidates, ng mga applicants, despite they have a lot of work experiences in different industries, as well as if they already have an experience in a virtual assistant as a virtual assistant yon. So, yun nga guys, wala na tayong Cyberbacker personality assessment. All you need to do is to submit your application using my referral link, which I'm going to include here in the description box of my video. You just have to submit your application, and by the way, before that guys, make sure that you have police clearance and NBI clearances. You have to upload them along with your resume, updated CV or updated resume. Another thing, you have to prepare your the screenshots of the speed test for your primary and secondary internet connection. Okay? And if you would ask me kung sabihin nyo wala kayong secondary, mobile data would do. Okay? Yung speed test ng mobile data na yon. Kasi since backup lang naman siya and you're just getting started, we understand if you guys only have one internet connection. For as long as fiber yan, walang problema. Secondary, for as long as malakas yung data, kung halimbawa 5G or 4G or 5G yung phone mo, that's good enough as a backup. Okay? Now, another thing is a screenshot of the system information of your primary computer, mapa desktop man yan or mapa laptop, and secondary computer. Okay? Again guys, computers. Laptop or desktop or Mac only. No cell phones, no tablets, no iPads. Okay? So, ayun guys, I hope this is a great opportunity for you guys to come back to us, reapply, use my referral link, which again, i-include ko sa description box ng aking video. Alright? So, I wish you luck, and pag makapasok kayo, message nyo ko guys. Please, message nyo ko so I know sino yung mga na-refer ko. Tutulungan ko kayo makahanap ng client. Okay? And I will guide you through the process. I will walk you through. You don't have to worry about that. Basta let me know if you guys passed. Okay? So, kailangan kompleto ang mga requirements. Updated ang resume, gandahan ang resume, wag naman lagyan ng malaking picture. Okay? A small picture would do. Marami naman sa Canva na template, so just use that. What else? And galingan ninyo yung inyong interview. Okay? Before, ang initial interview is will only take around 5 to 7 minutes or 5 to 10 minutes. Now, it's gonna take about 20 to 30 minutes. It's really you showcasing everything about you, showcasing your talents, showcasing your skills. Okay, and if you don't have any work experience, that's fine. You can still apply, guys. There are transferable skills from your school, from your organization, ganon. Okay, lalo na yung mga Gen Z dyan na magagaling sa social media. Guys, ano yon? In na in talaga yung social media na yan, social media marketing. Bookkeeping, guys, bookkeeping. Ayun. So, yun lang, galingan nyo, just be truthful to your answers. And I suggest you watch some videos on YouTube on how to properly answer some common questions being asked sa mga interviews. Okay? So, isang interview lang, galingan nyo lang, and makakapasok na kayo sa Cyberbacker. At saka, syempre, kagaya sinabi ko yung mga requirements, guys. What else? Yeah, once pumasa na kayo, mag-undergo kayo ng expectations call. That is like equivalent to an orientation. Ayan. And then you will be joining some other sessions. What else? And then you can join unlimited client interviews. Okay, so again, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, pag nakapasa kayo, you let me know, you send me an email, message me on my Facebook page, Cyberbacker Rochelle, and I am going to assist you in getting your client. Okay, so guys, I wish you luck. Sana ito na yung mga hinihintay ninyo, no? Kasi 'di ba? I know some of you guys have already applied numerous times at Cyberbacker, and very unfortunate talaga na lagi kayong hindi nakakapasa, lalo na doon sa yun nga, sa personality assessment, ano? So they already removed that. Everyone is welcome to apply. Okay? So ano pa ba, guys? If you have questions, let me know. Just comment down below kung ano yung questions nyo, concerns nyo, and then I am going to vlog about that on my next video. Alright? So guys, I wish you luck. And yeah, yun lang. I wish you luck. And again, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Simply Chelly Vlog. So see guys, nabubulol din ako dahil sa sobrang excitement ko para sa inyo. Kasi this is the moment that you guys have been waiting for. All right? So, yeah. I hope to see you around at Cyberbacker. Bye for now. Good luck. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe.